I want to have a look at the little ZMR 200. Now it measures 180 across there and 220 across those motor centres. It's a $47 frame, Australian. It's carbon fibre bottom plate, the four arms, carbon fibre top plate and the standoffs. You get the little camera stand with it, and you get these little feet that I haven't put on there, which are the same colour as that, and they've got a little standoff there, same shape. So that's him there. So it comes with a power distribution board which has got 5 volt and 12 volt, and you can also run your LEDs off it. So I haven't put any on there at the moment. We're running the Flip 32 board. Now you've got to put your pin outs on an angle because they just don't make it with the standard up configuration. I've turned this board around -90, so it should have been facing that way. So I've turned it that way, which is -90, and so I can put the USB port out the side for access there. And they're the little standoffs that come with it, so it all fits in there. We're running the D4R receiver. We're running one of these little 200 milliwatt FPV transmitter out the back there with a little stumpy antenna. Now these little antennas, I don't mind these. These are about $8 from Banggood, and as you can see they're pretty nifty. I've put some Teflon tape around that just to protect it and insulate it. We're running the 20 amp little B BL Heli 14.1 ESCs, and these things scream. So we're also running the RCX 2633 kV motors, and we're running them with a 5x5 prop. I bought these from a 3D, and you can actually see the angle of that. This tape here for the Australian guys, this is J-Car. This is marking tape. You use it for artwork, for pinning stuff up. You can buy it in the pink and the green. I bought a roll of pink, I think it was about $4, just to put on there to bling it out a bit. And what I've done is I've put my little FPV transmitter camera in here, and I've hot glued it in. Now it does come with a little microphone. I don't know whether you can see that in there. There's a little microphone. I haven't attached that. I don't want to hear the buzzing noise in my ear. Not too bad if you want to hear your buzzer, but anyway. So bought a few of these. They're about $3 each, all from Banggood. The camera is a 400 TVL. It's from Banggood. It was $11. I think the motors were about $15 or $20. The props were about $3 a set. You know, a set of 4. So, what more can I say other than we're going to run this on a 4-cell and run on a 3-cell at the moment. Just give it a maiden. Oh, the other thing is we're running a filter in here. So what I've done is I've come off the 12 volt power distribution board with one of those cheap and nasty $3 filters. And from the other side it goes to the camera and to the transmitter, so you can see that there. So a little tip, if you use this stuff here, this multicoloured bling braiding as I call it, once you get it over, what I've done to make it kind of look nice is put just clear tape over the end of it. Some people put heat shrink. I find the heat shrink, if you don't get it right, it melts this stuff. So just some clear tape. And those props come awfully close to the front there. So I don't know whether you can see how far that, or how close that misses that by, but that's like less than a fingernail thickness in through there. So had to get everything tight, had to get everything in there, and what we'll do is we'll record it with the Fat Shark system so we can see what's going on. Anyway, enough squatting, let's do some thumping with this thing.